Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today, let us see Unit 1 A Childhood in Malabar, a Memoir. It is a supplementary book back exercise. Now, let us see the glossary. Here we have in Malayalam and in English. Actually, it is a Malayalam word that has been translated in English. Etati, brother's wife. Etan, elder brother. Ammamma, mother's mother. Muttashi, father's mother. Tekkini, backyard. Ammayi, mother-in-law. Cheriyamma, chitti, that is in Tamil. So dear children, all these are Malayalam words and it is given in English, so you can understand. If you don't know Malayalam, you can understand the words, isn't it? So you have to learn, then you will come to know what the Malayalam and the English word. Now let us see, identify the character or the speaker. Why isn't the snake coming? Said by author Kamaladas. I wonder whether it's a cyclone. Ammamma, said by Ammamma. I want to see Kutti Appu. Malati Kutti. Will the house collapse? Muttashi. Is she crazy? Said by Muttashi. So dear children, these are the character or the speaker. Now can you tell me, why isn't the snake coming? Said by whom? The author Kamaladas. I wonder whether it's a cyclone? Said by Ammamma. I want to see Kutti Appu. Okay, said by Malati Kutti. Now let us see true or false. Droplets of rain glimmered on Ammamma's face. Yeah, it's true. Malati Kutti wanted to see Kutti Appu. Yes, it is also true. Ammai comforted Malati Kutti when she sobbed. False. The coconut palm crashed down due to heavy rain. Yes, it is also true. So dear children, here droplets of rain glimmer on Ammamma's face. Yes, true. Now let us see, choose the correct answer and write it in the plan. First one, Meenakshi Etati was a dash relative of the Ambalathil family. Close, distance or real. It is a distance. We suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the dash like a roar. Southeast, southwest, northeast. It is southwest. The dash with 4 pillars began to overflow. Central hall, southern room, courtyard. Which is the correct one? It is a central hall. Fourth one, dash arrived drenched to the skin. Ammamman, Cheriyamma, Ammai. It is Ammai. There was knee-deep water in the dash. Courtyard, cowshed, kitchen. Which is the correct answer, children? It is courtyard. Now let us see. Rearrange the following jumbled sentence in the correct order. The sentences are jumbled. You have to arrange it in correct order. Now, can you tell me which one will come the first? Yes. Meenakshi Etati was a dark-skinned and middle-aged woman. That is the first one. And we have second one. Without Meenakshi Etati, Ambalathil family could not have existed happily for a single day. Yes, that is the second one. Third one, the wind tore through the coconut palms in the southern compound. Now let us see the fourth one. The dry leaves that had collected around the pond swirled upwards. The last one, branches shook and the seat of the swing fell down from the ilanchi tree. That is the fifth one. So you can arrange it and write it in your note. So now let us see. Find answers for the questions given below. Identify the person and write a character sketch about her. Who was the important person in Ambalathil family? Meenakshi Etati was the important person in the Ambalathil family. Why was she considered an important person? She was the only one who knew how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for household, and how many mundus had been given to the washerman, or when to give medicine to the children. So she was considered an important person. So dear children, why was she considered an important person? Because she was the only one who knew how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for the household. Now let us see the third one. How did she spend her time? How did she spend her time? Tell me children. She spent her time rushing around the house and compound, never stopping to rest. Her face constantly wore an expression that asked for forgiveness. She had certain revival duties to perform. So she had a certain duty to perform, so that she was not taking any rest. Without taking rest, she was doing the things going all around. The fourth one, describe her appearance and qualities. Describe her appearance and quality. She was dark-skinned and middle-aged. She is busy always and never stops to take rest. See, she was a dark-skinned and middle-aged. She is busy always and never stops to take rest. She was not at all taking rest, and she looks a little dark and middle-aged. The fifth question, how would the days be without her? The family of Ambalathil would not have existed happily for a single day without Meenakshi Etati. If Meenakshi Etati is not there, they will not be happy to live on. Now let us see, filling the table given below. Here seasons, months, clothes I wear, food I eat and drink, activities I do, festivals I celebrate. Now let us see the summer. Months, April, May and June. Clothes, cotton clothes we wear. Food, non-spicy food, that is curd, buttermilk and so on. Activities, I play indoor games. Festivals, Chittirai festivals, because it is summer. Now we have monsoon, that is the rainy season. Months, August and September. Clothes I wear is waterproof jackets, raincoats, etc. Food, hot food like pakodas, idlis, etc. Activities, paintings and indoor games. Festivals, Onam, Ganesh Chaturthi. Winter, months are December and Jan. Clothes, woolen clothes. Food, vegetables and fruits. Activities, reading books, playing games, etc. Festivals, Christmas and Pongal. Autumn, it comes month of October, November. Clothes, leather or shorts or skirts, etc. Food I drink is vegetables and fruits and fruit juice, etc. Activities, collect leaves, play games, and festivals are Diwali and Dasra. Now let us see in the next one. During winter season, many of us fall sick and suffer from cold, cough and fever. Put a tick for the things you will do to keep fit. Drink cold water? No, false. Eat home cooked food? Yes, true. I will visit the doctor? Yes, true. If I am falling sick, I would visit the doctor. Never wash my hands? False. We have to wash our hands. I will take medicine and rest. Yes, true. Now let us tick the correct word for the given icon. Here we have rainy and cloudy. The icon is showing it rainy. Next, windy and sunny. The icon is sunny. windy and rainy. Now this icon is windy. Thunder and lightning. The icon is showing that lightning. Here next one, rainbow and downpour. It is a rainbow. Relate the sentences with weather, climate, season and write the suitable word in the blank. Dash forecast is useful for farmers, fishermen and navigators. Weather forecast. The dash of a place is permanent in nature. Change of a place. India has a tropical monsoon. It is a climate. Spring, summer, autumn and winter are the 4 seasons. Global warming is a change in the world's climate. Satellite photographs help us predict tomorrow's weather forecast. Spring is my favorite season. So dear children, please write.